welcome back to the channel. So it is October. It is the month to get locked in with our workouts, with our nutrition, making sure that we build a great body for the winter. And so for next year's summer, we are all leaned out and looking all good. You may have already heard the term winter arc. October is around the time that it gets started. I am locking in with my winter arc for the season, and I'm going to be locking in my nutrition even more till the end of this year. Welcome to What I Eat in a Day in a Calorie Deficit. So this video is mostly going to be that. Just come along and see what I do eat on a daily basis. I pretty much tend to stick to the same things all the time just because it is easier to track, it's easier to remember what to eat, and easy as well to go grocery shopping. You already know what items you need and what items you're gonna purchase. I hope that you lock in with me this winter and that you also start your fitness journey if you haven't started it, or if you are in the middle of your fitness journey. I hope you lock in with me. Let's do this together and get snatched for the summer. Today's breakfast, very simple, but looking forward to this breakfast every day. So it's literally just toast with a little bit of butter and a over medium egg on top, and I added some extra egg whites in there. So very simple, very easy, and very satisfying. Especially after a very hard leg day today, I was looking forward to this. And of course, I have my protein coffee in here. So ready to start and take on the day. So that was my breakfast. We'll see you later for lunch. Our lunch is going to consist of some leftover chicken from last night's dinner with a salad and some extra cucumbers with a little bit of feta cheese. I was going to kind of show you how I did and what I did for lunch, but it's pretty much leftover, so we jumped right into dinner with having yellow rice with ground turkey and a side salad. The salad has beets, carrots, feta cheese, and tomato. So that pretty much concludes the video for today, what I eat in a day in a calorie deficit. I hope that you got something out of it. And I'm about to go to bed because I am tired. It's about, I don't know, like 11 p.m. Just took off my makeup with this awesome oil cleanser. It's I think it's a Korean brand. NYO. It's really good. It really takes off your makeup. It's got like 14 plant oils in it, very gentle, hydrating, and it removes your makeup very, very well. So if you're in the market for an oil-based cleanser, I definitely recommend you get this one. I'm about to put my eye cream and my moisturizer and go to bed. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Those of you who are already subscribed, thank you very much for continuing to watch my videos, and I wish you all a very good night. I will see you in the next video. Bye.